Hey Georgetown, Janice here. So this semester I am living in DC with a few of my friends, including my roommate Melanie. So I want to take you guys through our room to show you around and also show you what we keep to stay safe during this time. The first thing you'll notice in my room is my nightstand, which is where I keep my collection of masks so that it's easy to grab and go when going outside. I definitely also recommend keeping hand sanitizer nearby. For me, I keep it behind my bed just so it's easy access to stay clean. In terms of decorations, my roommate and I were really into the idea of an enchanted forest, so we have ivy all over our room, both in terms of summer and the fall. Each year, I also include my 2 mini paintings of fruit, which I got on a family vacation one year. This room is also a great place for some casual studying. Lastly, we're lucky enough to have a balcony this year, which is really nice considering sometimes it's hard to get outside if we want to get some fresh air. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, stay safe and Hoya Zaxa.